find out how much it is. 103.
103 lira. 103
Mm.
lira for around 800, more or less 800 pesos. Ah, it has remote also. I thought it's just like this.
Dragon.
So this is our box.
It has a remote and for the signal.
Ah, this
screen.
one is for the
Yes.
signal.
It has an HDM wire connection. If you can connect the Bluetooth, how do you call that? Dongle?
USB.
That same like that one. Bluetooth USB can be connected also.
Yeah.
So you can connect it to internet and also watch YouTube from here. This is mostly used for the TVs which is not smart. The old type of TVs. Can use it for YouTube and also for satellite.
Yeah, but our TV is the latest one.
Yeah, but we need it for the cable channel, not for YouTube. It has YouTube here, Wi-Fi. So when we open the box, we can see here
Manual.
uydu alıcı kullanma kılavuzu. This is the manual. Mostly we will not use this one. And this is for the guarantee. Anyway, the guarantee is Trendyol. This is the HDM cord cable. This one is the charger. So the charger is ready.
Still needs to be charged, but
No, it needs the power.
okay.
Should be plugged in always. This one is we'll use it for signal for the remote. And here there is remote. This remote is called smart remote. Can be both used for TV and also for the cable.
A universal remote.
Universal. This one is a kit for the TV, the back. You'll just connect this one.
I think that's a sticker.
Oh, sorry, not here.
Yeah.
You just connect like this to the TV.
Oh, okay.
So, as you can see, it's just something very small, but
very useful.
Very useful. You can also show like this. HDM cable. This is for the power. This is for the satellite wire.
So we are going to connect the wire here in this satellite wire.
Yes. Then it's ready to be used. Okay, I guess it's enough.
Still have to show that.
Excuse me.
Show it here.
This is for the signal. Very big. Okay.
Yep, Ma.
Yeah.
So we are going to connect this first to the TV. Anyway, we have a longer HDM cable. You can still use that one. Or this one also better. This one will connect to the TV. And this is for the power.
Loaded siya. So many wires are connected. Otur kızım.
Let us go. Everything in Turkey is sold. Must have at least 2 years now. It's minimal.
Look at that girl. She also wants to show herself.
This is our mouse.
Diyan ang binig.
She's living with us.